Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the realistic video using the Wan 2.5 model. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this create.1.video and you can simply do the login in this section. And as you can see, if you log in into the daily routine, so they will also give you daily 10 credits and you can use it for generating the video like this, for example. And after that, you can start to create the video by clicking this section or this section, guys. For example, I will start off from this one, try now. And after that, you can continue to select the function. For example, you can start to generate the video from the image or from the text, guys. For example, like this, text to video. And after that, you can continue to click or put your prompt into this section. And how did you know that this video will be in the Wan 2.5 model? It is very simple. As you can see on the right side will be the several models that has been provided by this Wan.video. As you can see, there are Wan 2.5 and also Wan 2.2, Wan 2.1 plus, turbo, and Wan 2.0, something like this, guys. And for example, you can simply put the prompt into this section, and to generate this video it will also consume some credits over here. And after that, you can continue to generate it, and here I will show you the result in this section. Well guys, initially this is the another account of Wan.video. As you can see, you can actually generate the video even without the prompt over here, and you can still also manage the pixel to be 1K pixels and also still on the Wan 2.5 models. And you can also create the video from the image or the text, guys. However, if you would like to generate without the credits, so the duration of generating process will be a little bit longer, so you can use the credits that you have to accelerate the generation process. So this is the result after I tried to use some credit before. Initially it was 10 credits over here, and also before I accelerated, I initially used the free version to generate it. However, it will be really long to generate the video, and when you have the several credits over here, there is the option that they gave to you that you can use the prompts that you have to accelerate the speed of the generation process. And after that, this will be the result of the video, guys. For example, I will show you the output. So as you can see, there is the detail like the thunder and also the detail of the rain, because to generate this video I used this prompt to generate a video about the house in the middle of the countryside during the rain and also show the thunder, and you'll see the droplets of this rain. Isn't that cool, right? So you can also start to save or download this video. If you would like to download it without the watermark, so you need to upgrade it into the VIP version. However, if you are okay about the watermark down here, so you can simply download it and it will be officially saved into your gallery. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and also don't forget to try this Wan 2.5 and if you would like to get the free credits every single day, don't forget to do the login with your email and claim the credit over here. They will also give you the notification. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.